Hello guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. Let's jump into the video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the password of your Instagram account. For changing the password of your Instagram account, first you have to open your Instagram. After opening the Instagram, click on the profile icon on the side. On this page, you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. Here you have to click on OK. Then you have to click on account center. Then you have to scroll down and click on password and security. Here you have to click on change password. Then choose the account on which you want to change your password. Then click on it. Here you have to enter your current password and then create a new password. But if you have forgot the password, then click on forgot your password. A code will be sent to you at your emails. Then you have to open your email. Here, as you can see, I have received an email with reset password button. Click on it. Then you have to create a new strong password. I am creating mine. Then you have to click on reset password. And now you can see password of your Instagram account has been changed and updated. If this video helped you, please check out this playlist. It will help you a lot. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.